Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey as we unveil the hidden gem that is 92i New York. A student accommodation that's more than just a place to stay. It's a gateway to the heart and soul of the Big Apple. From shared apartment, where friendships are forged, to private apartment for that much-needed me time, 92i has it all. All the rooms here come well furnished with a cozy bed, a study desk with a killer view of the city, and even an overhead shelf to keep you organized during those late-night study sessions. Connect with fellow residents in the vibrant common area, stream your favorite shows, challenge friends to a game of foosball, or simply unwind and share laughs. Looking to stay active? The fitness center and music room are at your disposal. And when the weekend calls, New York's endless possibilities await. From iconic pubs to Central Park adventures, your weekends will be nothing short of unforgettable. Also, you're within arm's reach of top-notch universities, including City University of New York and Columbia University. Your dream life in the heart of New York starts here. Head over to amberstudent.com right now and secure your spot at 92i New York today.